Welcome everyone to Mike Collects Stuff. And today I'm going to show you what came in the mail this week for me in baseball cards, because I buy a lot of baseball cards. So today is baseball card mailbag. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's open these baseball cards up and see what we got here. It's very important you do not cut the baseball card while opening the package. So let's see here what we got. The guy did a nice job packing it with a cardboard piece behind it. Looks like we got an Andrew Keisner autographed Bowman Platinum card. Andrew Keisner is a prospect for the Cardinals. He did have some playing time this previous season. Did so-so, didn't have many games. But I'm specking hard on the guy. I got a pretty good collection of Andrew Keisner cards. My only hope is that he makes it to the majors, and he does well. This one's a blue foil card out of 150. Nice auto. 2019. Let's see what else we got. Let's see here. Let's open it up. Ooh, things are flying. People do a good job on the packing. There we go. What do we got here? This is a nice 2020 Sam Hilliard, Colorado Rockies rookie card auto, ice, I believe. And this one's numbered out of 25. Sam Hilliard's another prospect rookie that I've been buying a lot of cards on. Really hoping to flip him at some point when he has a good streak in the majors. He had some playing time this year, didn't do so well, but he's got some good minor league stats, which is why I'm buying his cards. It only takes a couple of weeks of good hitting and some home runs for cards to go up in value in real time. It's a nice looking card, Sam Hilliard. Let's see. Got another one here. And my scissors suck because they're not really getting in there that well. I don't like the bubble wrap. Here we go. Looks like a graded card. Who is it? Ooh, looks like a nice prism of Austin Hayes. Hey! That's my dog barking. Gary! Shh! Hey. What are you doing? What you barking at? He doesn't understand that I'm making a video over here. Nice 9.5 SGC graded card of Austin Hayes, rookie. Plays for the Orioles, another young player that I'm hoping does well. He had a good stretch at the end of this past season, and if my dog would stop barking, that'd be wonderful. This one is numbered out of 299. Alright. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh, almost cut the card, I think. Let's get these out of the way. Oh yeah, I got these stands here. Why am I not putting the cards on the stands for you people to look at? There we go. Oh no, there it goes. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get the cards up and going. Gotta save room for the good cards. Here we go. People do a good job with the bubble wrap. Ooh, here it comes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, another Austin Hayes autograph card. Look at that one. Rookie signatures. Baltimore Orioles. This one's numbered out of 15. I think this is a Diamond Kings. 2018 Diamond Kings. Nice short print card there. All right, let's put them up. Put them up. Let's see what else. We got a couple more. Open them up. Here it comes. Let's see if we can get this open. It's sealed really well. Holy cow. Ugh. The trick is trying to open these up quick so you guys don't get bored watching me just opening packages. Alright, what do we got? Look at that. First we had the blue Andrew Keisner. Now we got the green Andrew Keisner without the auto. Number to 99, 2019 Andrew Keisner Bowman Platinum. Nice color. There it is. Let's move him out of the way. I'll put that one up there. Alright, last one. Last one. Get it open. You gotta add the sound effects to make it more interesting. Oh, this one's covered in cardboard. This is a thick one. I don't even know how to open that. Let's see here. Let's cut it open. They did a really good job packing it up. Ooh, the anticipation. The anticipation is killing me. Let's see what it is. Alright, here we go. Here we go. I told you guys I was buying a lot of Sam Hillard cards. I believe this is a nice lot that I bought. These are all eBay buys, by the way. Alright, what do we got? Looks like 2020 Diamond Kings, Sam Hillard. These are all Sam Hillard. There's one. I believe that's Topps Archives rookie. Ooh, that's a nice one. Sam Hillard Topps Finest Retro. Those are pretty cards. Probably look good graded. It's a nice 2020 Topps Chrome X-Fractor. Nice. We got 2020 Optic rated rookie Sam Hillard. There's another one. Blue and white. Hollow Sam Hillard. I buy a lot of Sam Hillard cards. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button. Check back with me soon. I do all kinds of collectibles, baseball cards, comic books, odds and ends stuff. Take it easy.